Mastering the secrets, tricks of the trade in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we have an intriguing topic to explore: tricks of the trade. This phrase is not only popular but packed with meaning and history. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love enriching your vocabulary, understanding phrases like this can unlock new levels of language proficiency. So, let's get started and unravel the secrets behind tricks of the trade. Tricks of the trade refers to clever shortcuts, skills, or methods that are used by experienced people in a particular field to accomplish tasks more efficiently and effectively. These aren't tricks in the deceptive sense, but rather insider knowledge or techniques that one learns through experience or mentorship. Understanding these tricks can be a game changer, especially in professions requiring craftsmanship, creativity, or specialized knowledge. While the exact origin of the phrase is a bit murky, it's widely believed to date back to the early trades and crafts where apprenticeship was the main method of learning. Master craftsmen would pass down their secret techniques and shortcuts to apprentices, who would then become masters themselves. This tradition of sharing tricks has continued across generations and industries, symbolizing the transmission of practical knowledge that isn't found in textbooks. To fully grasp tricks of the trade, let's look at some examples. In cooking, a trick of the trade might be using a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness of baked goods. In photography, a trick of the trade could involve adjusting the angle of light to make a subject look more flattering. In teaching, engaging students with stories relevant to the lesson might be a trick of the trade to enhance learning. These examples show how tricks of the trade are valuable across different fields, making tasks simpler, results better, or work more enjoyable. Understanding and applying tricks of the trade can significantly boost your efficiency and effectiveness in any domain. It not only saves time but also enhances the quality of the work. For learners of the English language, knowing such phrases enriches your vocabulary and helps you understand native speakers better, especially in context-specific conversations. We hope this exploration into the tricks of the trade has been enlightening. These little nuggets of wisdom are more than just shortcuts. They're a testament to the richness of human knowledge and the value of shared experience. Keep an eye out for these tricks in your journey. Whether you're mastering a new language, honing a skill, or navigating daily life. Remember, every field has its tricks, and knowing them can set you apart. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.